Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check the mobility system on the BMW i8. BMW includes the BMW Mobility System, which is a compressor and some sealant in case you get a flat tire. Now in the United States where I live, I don't have run-flat tires. So if I do get a flat, I need to ensure that I have the sealant and the compressor on board and that it is in good working condition so that I can correct any puncture that's small enough to be sealed. So let's take a closer look at what the mobility system looks like and where it's located in the i8. Now in order to access the mobility system in the BMW i8, we need to gain access to the trunk and then go into the left side of the trunk and remove this panel. Once we pull out and up, we now have access to the compressor and the tire sealant. The compressor is located here and the tire sealant is located here. Now, if your vehicle was made prior to October 2015, you're going to have one style of compressor and sealant, and then after that, you're going to have a completely different kind of compressor and sealant. The two are not interchangeable. So let's take a look now at the sealant that's on my BMW i8. And it is no longer valid. It's actually expired. So if we take a closer look here, we can see that it expired in June of 2019. And what that means is I had to order a replacement tire sealant bottle. Let's take a look at what came in that package. Here's my replacement bottle that I got. I ordered it online and there'll be a link in the description below. And this has an expiration date of December 2023. So these last approximately 4 years. You definitely want to check yours and make sure that your tire sealant bottle is not expired. Now this comes with, in this case, new hoses and a new attachment piece. Everything is ready to go as if I was, just putting the old bottle back in the vehicle. But let's take a closer look at this compressor. Now this style compressor has a mount at the top that the bottle slides into, so when you're not compressing just air, you're using the sealant in the bottle to go into the vehicle. And in the back is a hose and a 12-volt connection for plugging into the vehicle. So the replacement that I got included a new hose. That's good because these hoses can deteriorate over time. I'm just going to leave the stock hose in here. That way, in case I need the other one, I have a backup on board. But this is the style of compressor that comes with the pre-October 2015 BMW i8s. So if yours is newer, it's going to be completely different than this. So you definitely want to read your user's manual to determine exactly what you need to do in order to inflate a punctured tire. So I'm going to go ahead and put these pieces back in the i8. There's our compressor, and here's our new bottle of sealant. Everything fits really nicely into this little foam holder, and of course I have my tow hook back here, and I also have my key in order to take the locks off of the wheels. Once everything is tucked away nicely, I can go ahead and reinstall the door. And that's that. That's how easy it is in order to check and replace your tire sealant. So I strongly advise, check your BMW i8. Make sure your tire sealant is actually useful and it's not expired. The last thing you want to do is be out. Let's say it's night, it's raining, you have a puncture, and you just want to get to a station where you can have your tire replaced. Well, if you don't have good sealant, that's not going to happen. So be sure to check your BMW i8 and hit the links in the description below in order to order your replacement. It's that easy to check and replace your BMW Mobility tire sealant for your BMW i8. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up, I'd greatly appreciate it, and click that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications as I'll be posting more BMW i8 content. Thanks for watching and happy motoring!